Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to colleagues around the world. It's a pleasure to be invited to contribute to the Design Practice speaker series. Today I'm going to discuss with you a subject that's really quite topical at the moment, and it's a little bit, as we would say in the UK, a little bit like Marmite. You either love it or hate it. And an alternate way to view that is that some of you may be a little fatigued by the concept of digital twins, and or may feel the digital twins a little bit like the emperor's new clothing, i.e. what actually is it and what's the added value. So the content of today's talk really represents my journey, some observations and conclusions on the subject of digital twins, which I hope you will find interesting. Overall, the aim of this talk is really to help demystify the digital twin and help the research community, and in particular the audience today, the design research community, to identify or start to think about what the research challenges are for the community and what research challenges we need to address going forwards. So my talk is titled Lies, Damned Lies and Digital Twins, and what are the DT related research challenges that our community should address. The talk will be around 25 minutes, so that's quite a lengthy talk. So I've broken the talk into 5 sections. We'll start with a brief history of the digital twin, and then we'll look at what is a digital twin and what is not a digital twin with some examples. We'll then start to explore where the research is and where the current research activities are. And then I want to introduce a sort of systems view, a systems thinking view or perspective of the digital twin to help and aid us to think about what the research challenges actually are. And then in the final section, I'll talk a bit about the challenges, the opportunities, which I've come across over the last couple of years, sitting on various working groups, standards committees, and attending various workshops.